Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to tell you what is the magic of Alt semicolon. This shortcut can prevent you from a deletion error. So let's begin to understand the concept. I am selecting my data. So select your data. Now I am applying a filter, data filter. Now I am selecting my first entry, so you may select any other entry. So here it is, so now if we will delete these entry, sometimes it may happen that your entry from the backend may also delete, but I don't want that. If you want to prevent that error, you may need to press Alt semicolon after applying the filter. This is the trick. Select your data, press Alt semicolon. Now delete. So Control minus, entire delete row. Okay. Remove the filter. My only front end data has deleted. Backend data is stored as it is. So this is the magic of Alt semicolon. So keep enjoying and keep learning.